Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Prepare yourself for a captivating journey as we dive into the world of finance and business. So, whether you're here to expand your knowledge, seek inspiration, or simply enjoy a moment of entertainment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started.
Poshmark is an online marketplace and social commerce platform that allows individuals to buy and sell new or used clothing, accessories, and other fashion items. It was founded in 2011 and has since gained popularity as a mobile app and website for fashion enthusiasts looking to clean out their closets, find unique fashion items, and connect with a community of buyers and sellers. Users can create their profiles, list items for sale, and browse a wide range of fashion products from various brands. Poshmark's social aspect allows users to follow other users, share their listings, and participate in virtual Posh parties or themed shopping events. Buyers and sellers can negotiate prices and interact within the platform. Poshmark provides a convenient way for people to turn their unused fashion items into cash or discover new additions to their wardrobe. Making money on Poshmark involves effectively selling items you no longer need or sourcing items to resell. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started and potentially make money on Poshmark. 1. Create a Poshmark account. Download the Poshmark app or visit the Poshmark website. Sign up for an account using your email or social media profiles to 2. Build an attractive profile. Use a clear and engaging profile picture. Write a compelling bio to introduce yourself and let potential buyers know what kind of items you sell. 3. Gather inventory. Start by going through your closet to identify clothing, accessories, or fashion items you no longer need or want to sell. Consider sourcing items from thrift stores, garage sales, or clearance sales if you want to become a reseller. 4. List your items. Take high-quality photos of the items you want to sell. Using good lighting and clear backgrounds, write detailed and accurate descriptions, including brand, size, condition, and any flaws. Price your items competitively, considering the brand, condition, and market value. 5. Cash out your earnings. Poshmark holds your earnings in your account until the buyer receives the item and confirms the order. Once this happens, you can request to withdraw your earnings to your bank account or use them to shop on Poshmark. Remember that success on Poshmark often takes time, consistency, and a good understanding of the platform. It's essential to provide accurate descriptions, high-quality photos, and excellent customer service to build a positive reputation and attract more buyers. Additionally, consider attending Poshmark parties, which are themed shopping events, to increase the visibility of your listings.
And that concludes another captivating episode on our channel. We hope you enjoyed this journey of exploration and discovery as much as we did. Before we part ways, we want to express our sincere gratitude to each and every one of you, our incredible viewers. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Feel free to also drop a like and add a comment down below, This will help us in doing our future projects. Thanks for watching.